Good evening, gentle friends. So I wasn't going to do a video today because I'm not feeling the greatest, but it's like 10 minutes to 8 in the evening, and I haven't eaten yet, and I'm still not really feeling like anything, but I'm trying to break that habit. So I thought about what I had that was going to be kind of low effort, and I had some clam chowder that I made in the Instant Pot the other day, and I think I'm going to heat that up. I still have 2 artichokes left, and I always love an artichoke, so I'm going to cook the artichoke in the Instant Pot, and then I think I'm just going to do like a tuna melt sandwich. So I have the this is the Private Selections Dark Rye Bread. This is one of my favorite breads, and it is 110 calories a slice. I'll put a link to the clam chowder post that I did that has all the recipes and everything attached to it, all the nutritional information. I'll put all that in the description box, and it will be on the blog as well. Then for the tuna melt, I just have a can of normal chunk light tuna. I'm going to mix that with some Greek yogurt and Dijon mustard. I'm not going to put anything else in there. Just going to do just tuna fish. And then I had found some Brie on special at Kroger. Well, that doesn't show you much. And I'm going to have some of that. And that's probably going to be it for today. I haven't tracked all of this yet, but this won't meet my calorie target. But I am going to try and, have that up there. So I'm having a couple of ounces of Brie, a couple of slices of bread. I think the clam chowder is in the 400, maybe? That's a serving and a half. That's probably in the 400 calorie range. I'm going to do a tablespoon of butter with the artichoke and a tablespoon on the outside of the bread. I'm going to do it like a grilled, like a melt basically. So I'm incorporating some higher calorie amounts, so I'm not so far under, but like I said, it's 10 minutes to 8. I've already taken my nighttime meds, and I have all 1,500 calories available, so let's see what we can do.